Means sleeping late and eating ice creams, right? Maybe. But I also want to do something new this summer. Something exciting and useful. Since it's vacation time, how about making a fun plan together? A plan? For what? I thought vacation means doing nothing. Well, vacation means free time. And we can use that time to learn new things, help at home, and of course, have loads of fun. I'll help you get started. Can we eat mangoes every day? Sure, Tofu. But let's also add these things. Let's read a new storybook every week. Let's help Mom water the plants. Let's try one new art activity. Let's together practice yoga, or let's do stretching with Dad. Let's learn something fun, like a magic trick or something, or maybe a song. Oh, and don't forget, visit Grandma's house. Of course, that's the best part. We both love going to Grandma's house. It's so much fun, always. This is wonderful. Planning your vacation like this helps you balance fun and learning. Great going, kids. I'm gonna be the smartest and happiest panda ever. And I'll be the best version of me by the end of summer. Tia and Tofu are ready for a summer full of joy, learning, and new adventures. So kids, what's on your summer to-do list? Get going, plan your summer holidays.
Yes! I won! Hey, that's not fair. My tire was flat.
When your puppy steals the spotlight and the whole floor. Now it's payback time. Ready or not, here comes the splash attack.
Boom! Ambush successful, Irfan! Wait, now he's got the hose. Run!
Then came the lion. Be quiet. Run. Run. Then we fell asleep. Zzz.